Hello everyone! Let's paint Georges Seurat's The River Seine at Grande-Jatte. Tape the edges of your paper for a nice border. We will peel it off at the end. Grab your pencil and eraser and draw the hill and circle for the tree. Add two smaller circles next to it, the tree trunk and the leaf clumps above. Then add the branches, the land in the back, and the boat shapes. Draw the mast, separate the lake, and add the bushes. Finally, draw the building. Now it's time to paint. Get your water, colors, paintbrush, and towel. When you color, start with the very back, which is the sky. It's mint green. When you color, paint the edges of your shape before you fill it in too. Make sure you wash and dry your brush before using another color. Next, paint the left side of the water with the lightest blue. Afterward, paint the right side of the water with the darker blue. For our tree leaves and grass hill, let's paint the top part of these shapes with yellow-green. The bottom will be regular green. Painting this way will make your picture more realistic because you are adding shadows. Let your picture dry and clean your paint supplies. When you're done, get out your oil pastels. Now use the pale brown oil pastel to color the ground. Next, use green-gray for the top of the bushes and dark green for the bottom. Color the building with pale orange, and brown. Color the tree trunk and boat with brown too. Now, let's use pale blue and yellow to add dots in the sky. This style of coloring is called pointillism, and Monsieur Seurat was famous for it. Instead of blending paint, Seurat used pointillism to have viewers blend colors using their eyes and brain. Let's use pointillism in the water with pale blue, white, and blue oil pastels. Make yellow and brown dots on the bushes and orange and yellow for the ground. Now let's put dark green dots on the trees and grass shadows, and yellow and gray-green on both the light and shadow sides. Use brown for the roof shadow and to mark the windows, and then use yellow dots for the walls. Last but not least, peel the washi tape for a nice clean border. Now you are finished! Well done, artist!